Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now before we get started with Unlock Your Efficiency, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yes, that's what I said folks, $10,000 a month. Now this is massive folks, so if you're interested, click that first link in the description below. And I cannot say enough about Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. They've been with me ever since I've started with this particular program, and I am making money with it. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR just like this one. It shows you how to bonify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer, and hence you become the middleman. And bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income. And this is the crucial thing. It's reoccurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps while spending 15 minutes to run the entire system. Now you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you need to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's get on with the review. The vendor and creator of Unlock Your Efficiency is Jason Oikle. He's a Canadian from the East Coast who has a growing following on Warrior Plus and has made over 7,700 sales so far. He primarily produces PLR ebooks and has a PLR dealership that you can buy into. In a nutshell, Unlock Your Efficiency is a new PLR ebook that simplifies your daily routine for maximum productivity while working from home. Here's some things you should know about this product. It's a 6,840 plus word ebook that you can sell. It has a ready-made sales page and a thank you page, professional product image graphics, promotional banner images. It has an edible source files, and it's fully rebrandable with PLR rights, and you can download it instantly. And here are some of the things it covers. It covers proven strategies for establishing a consistent daily routine that maximizes productivity and minimizes distractions. It provides expert tips on optimizing your workspace for peak efficiency. It provides techniques for mastering time management and prioritizing tasks and setting boundaries to ensure a healthy work-life balance. It provides practical advice for embracing remote collaboration, conducting effective meetings, and communicating seamlessly. And it provides insights into the power of breaks, mindfulness, and self-care, and replenishing your energy and sustaining long-term productivity. And there is much, much more within this ebook. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $8.97. And you'll have the opportunity to upgrade your purchase with unrestricted PLR to this offer. That then has no limits. And that's for $17.97. And you have the opportunity to have a trial offer for the PLR Dealer Elite Membership Program, which pays reoccurring commissions every single month your customers remain members. And that introductory offer is for $2.99. Another upsell includes a 22 to 24 PLR lead magnets for a little over $48.12. And additionally, there is an upsell bundle for all Jason's previous lead magnet packages starting in 2023. These would help increase your EPCs. And that's for $48.27. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link in the description below. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And I cannot recommend this enough, folks. So please take advantage of it. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and they'll show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product just like this one. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.